So here's how we can attach a photo to email on the iPhone. Let me guide you through the whole process. If you're new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. It depends on which email app you are using, but most of them are going to work on a similar basis. So if we start with the Apple Mail app, you can get inside and as such. And when you start to create a new message, you go to the new message window. You can see that we have the ability to fill up the details like the recipient, the subject, and so on. But right now, seemingly no option to add any attachment. But once you click on the body part of the message, right, you can see that more options are going to appear. So we have the ability to click on the paperclip icon and attach some different things. So since we want to attach a photo, we can tap on the photo library and it's going to come up, or it's going to make our gallery of photos up here. So you can see you can click whatever you want and that is going to be attached. If you have the photo stored somewhere else, for example, part of the Files app, you would click on the paperclip icon as well, but instead click on Attach File, and this opens up the Files app instead, where you as well might have some photos stored. So it depends on your situation, but you can upload it like this as well. It's going to be exactly the same thing. And one more way to get to the same result would be to locate the photo at first. For example, inside of the Photos app, when you click on it and tap Share, you can see that I have the Mail option right away. So that way, when I click on Mail, it's going to come up with like a new message and that photo is already going to be attached to it. So yes, it does exactly the same thing, but from like a different angle, sort of. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I could help and assist you with this. Thanks a lot, and I hope to catch you later in future videos too.